Ginza is one of Tokyo's most famous shopping and entertainment districts, located in Chuo City near Tokyo Station and Yurakucho. The main access point is Ginza Station, served by the Ginza, Marunouchi, and Hibiya subway lines. Higashi Ginza Station is useful for Kabukiza Theater, while Yurakucho Station connects with the JR network. The district takes its name from a silver coin mint established here by the Tokugawa shogunate in 1612. Jin means silver, and za referred to an authorized guild or workplace. The mint later moved, but the name remained. During the Meiji period, Ginza developed into a modern commercial center with Western-style brick buildings, cafes, theaters, and department stores. Chuo-dori is the main avenue. It is lined with historic department stores, jewelry houses, international fashion brands, and carefully designed flagship buildings. Architecture is part of the attraction. Many companies use their Ginza locations to present unusual facades, large windows, and interiors by leading designers. On selected weekends and public holidays, part of Chuo-dori becomes a pedestrian zone. Cars are removed, tables and chairs are placed in the road, and visitors can walk across the full width of the avenue. This creates a calmer atmosphere, although the area is often busier in the afternoon. Ginza is not limited to luxury fashion. Traditional stationery, tea, confectionery, ceramics, cosmetics, and regional food products are sold beside contemporary goods. Department store basement floors are popular for Japanese food. They contain sushi, prepared meals, sweets, fruit, bread, and packaged gifts. Prices vary, so the district can be explored without making an expensive purchase. Food is another major part of Ginza. The area includes sushi counters, Japanese restaurants, ramen shops, cafes, bars, and international dining rooms. Some high-end restaurants require reservations, but casual options can be found inside commercial buildings and along the side streets. Lunch menus are often more affordable than evening courses. The smaller streets show a different side of Ginza. Galleries, older restaurants, hidden bars, and independent shops sit close to the large stores. The district has a strong connection with art and design, and several galleries offer free exhibitions. Nearby, Kabukiza is Tokyo's main theater for kabuki. Visitors can see its traditional style exterior and explore public areas even without attending a performance. Ginza changes throughout the day. Mornings are quieter and better for photography. The afternoon brings shoppers and cafe visitors. At night, illuminated facades, restaurant signs, and taxis create a more dramatic atmosphere. A good visit combines the main avenue with the smaller streets. Large stores show Tokyo's modern side, while theaters, galleries, restaurants, and traditional businesses preserve its local identity. Ginza is known for high prices, but walking, window shopping, and visiting galleries cost nothing. Its appeal comes from commerce, design, food, history, and everyday city life.